Well, with spring cleaning in full swing now, you're going to want that vacuum performing top notch. But whatever your needs are when it comes to cleaning, you can find it at Carmen Vacuum. We talked to Jason, and he told us more. Well, Jason, good to have you on Out and About Columbus once again.
Thank you for having us on again.
You know, when I think about cleaning, I certainly think about Carmen's Vacuum. I really do. Talk about the history of this company. This has got a lot of great history and been around a long time.
We've been around since 1970. Our specialty is vacuums, the sale of vacuums, vacuum repair, and also cleaning supplies.
You have a commercial division as well, right?
We do. We supply a lot of building service contractors and a lot of school districts and municipalities.
Let's talk about vacuum cleaners. What's a good one for cleaning and what's excellent?
An excellent vacuum for cleaning would be the Riccar, which some of them are right behind us. They're all made domestically in Missouri. And then another one are the Milas, which are behind us, they're German made.
I've always wondered, what separates good from excellent?
A lot of it's the engineering. Most of the vacuums that are engineered well, you're going to see less clogging with them. You're also going to see less needs for major repairs. And a lot of it does come down with engineering. So, yeah.
Is it a good time of year to get your vacuum serviced?
It is. You should do it about once a year. And what our technicians do that have all been factory trained, they go throughout the entire vacuum, clean it out, and also make sure that, all of the gaskets, seals, everything is where it should be.
Well, give us some contact information and how we can learn more, bring our vacuum in, get things ready for spring.
We have 4 locations. We have one on Poth Road on the east side of town, 4585 Poth Road. One here on High Street. We have one on Sawmill at the Sawmill Powell Plaza. And then we have one in Westerville and up 320 South State Street.
Yeah, so one's always close by to get that taken care of. Thanks so much, Jason, for being on the show.
Thanks for having us again.